Modern Brazilian home merges nature and architecture at São Paulo House by FGMF Architects. Nestled deep within a gated community in the heart of São Paulo's interior, this stunning residence is not just a house, it's an architectural dialogue with nature. A place where design transcends walls and windows, and where every material, view, and angle is carefully considered to foster harmony with its lush surroundings. Today, we'll take you inside this extraordinary modern home designed by FGMF Arquitetos, a home that doesn't just exist within nature but becomes a part of it. This is the story of stacked volumes, suspended views, and an immersive spatial experience. Welcome to a home where architecture meets artistry and luxury meets landscape. The vision behind the design. The core idea behind this residence was deceptively simple: integrate the built environment with the surrounding greenery. But in the hands of the São Paulo-based architectural firm FGMF, this vision unfolded into something quite masterful. Set within a plot defined by a gentle slope and enveloped in rich, Brazilian vegetation, the home was positioned with great care. Instead of dominating the landscape, the structure respects it, settling midway into the lot. This careful placement offers privacy for the residents while opening up sweeping views of the surrounding trees and terrain. The architects envisioned a home that celebrates both openness and protection. A balance between transparency and shelter. A home that gazes outward while offering spaces for retreat and contemplation. Architectural form a dance of volumes. The architecture is defined by two main volumes, distinct yet deeply interconnected. Let's break it down. The ground floor volume, expansive and transparent, stretches longitudinally along the plot. It's an open, light-filled space that houses the social heart of the home. Living rooms, a home theater, wine cellar, kitchen, service areas, and even the garage, all seamlessly integrated into one flowing volume of glass and air. Above it sits the upper volume, in contrast, solid, private, and more contained. This is where the family's private quarters reside. The bedrooms, each a suite, are wrapped in a second skin of wood, specifically large slatted wooden panels. These function both as shading devices and privacy screens, blurring the lines between openness and enclosure. But here's the architectural genius: the upper block is not just stacked, it's turned. Set in a transverse orientation, it acts as a bridge and a canopy. Below it lies a generous balcony and a gourmet entertaining space, shaded, breezy, and directly connected to the pool and solarium. This interplay of transparent and opaque, of grounded and floating, gives the house its sculptural quality, an elegant composition of stacked, intersecting boxes that shape not only interior experiences but exterior landscapes as well. The beauty of transparency and material contrast. If the architectural language is about stacking and offsetting, the material palette is about contrast and dialogue. On the ground floor, glass dominates. Almost the entire volume is enclosed with floor-to-ceiling glass panels. This gives the space an ethereal quality. It almost disappears into the landscape. From within, it feels as if the forest is part of the living room. And from the outside, the house reflects the surrounding trees, sky, and movement of the day. In contrast, the upper volume is a bold, wooden mass. The slatted panels made from warm-toned timber wrap the facade in texture and rhythm. These are not merely aesthetic choices, they're functional. The slats filter sunlight, provide ventilation, and ensure privacy, all while maintaining a visual connection to the exterior. And here's a beautiful touch. The panels are designed as shrimp-style doors, a nod to vernacular Brazilian detailing, allowing them to slide and fold in unique ways, transforming the facade according to the residents' needs. It's a case study in how materials can serve multiple roles: protection, beauty, and flexibility. Relationship with the land. With a site that gently slopes, FGMF didn't fight the terrain, they embraced it. By setting the house at the midpoint of the lot, they achieved a strategic balance. This positioning elevates the social areas just enough to provide panoramic views without sacrificing privacy. It also naturally divides the outdoor spaces, creating intimate garden pockets at the rear, and an expansive open front yard dominated by the pool. And speaking of the pool, it's a defining feature of the home's interaction with the land. Situated at the front edge of the lot, it reaches beneath the house itself. The water reflects the underside of the upper volume, creating a visual illusion. The living room seems to float above the pool, casting shimmering reflections across the ceiling and walls. This design blurs the boundaries between water, earth, and architecture. It's poetic. It's serene. It's undeniably clever. Interior design transparency meets warmth. While the architecture frames the natural world, the interior design, also carried out by FGMF, brings warmth, comfort, and a sense of personal identity to the home. The challenge? Designing an interior that complements, rather than competes with, the strong architectural language of the building. The solution? A palette of natural materials, cozy textures, and soft lighting. Inside, you'll find a mix of wooden ceilings, neutral-toned furniture, handmade rugs, and custom cabinetry, all of which reinforce a sense of calm. Despite the vastness of space and the abundance of glass, the home feels intimate. In the living room, the transparency invites the outside in. But the use of textured fabrics, layered lighting, and earthy tones keeps the room grounded. The kitchen and gourmet space, located under the upper volume, blend functionality with conviviality. This is a home designed for social gatherings, weekend brunches, and relaxed evenings by the pool. Upstairs, the bedrooms continue the theme of simplicity and comfort. Slatted wood panels allow residents to control their privacy while letting in dappled sunlight. These rooms are retreats, quiet, private, and elevated both physically and metaphorically. Sustainability, climate, and comfort. Living in the interior of Sao Paulo means dealing with warm temperatures, intense sunlight, and the occasional tropical storm. The home's design addresses all of these with passive strategies. The extensive use of wooden slats provides natural shading while allowing airflow. The orientation of the blocks ensures that sun exposure is minimized during the hottest hours. And the transparency isn't just aesthetic, it's about ventilation, natural light, and visual comfort. In many ways, this home reflects contemporary tropical architecture, smart, sensitive, and sustainable. No flashy technology, no gimmicks. Just a thoughtful approach to site, climate, and material. The emotional experience of living here. Beyond the form, the finishes, and the spatial planning, there is something profoundly emotional about this house. Imagine waking up in a suite that opens to treetops. Stepping down into a living room where birdsong replaces traffic noise. Watching the light shift across the water, and the reflections dance on your ceiling. This is not just a residence, it's a lifestyle. A place to slow down, breathe deeply, and reconnect with nature. Whether entertaining guests by the gourmet terrace or enjoying a quiet moment with a book beside the pool, this home cultivates well-being through design. Conclusion: a harmonious architectural masterpiece. The Sao Paulo House by FGMF Architects is a brilliant example of contemporary Brazilian architecture, rooted in context, rich in detail, and deeply respectful of its natural setting. Through an innovative use of form, material, and landscape, this home does what few can: it dissolves the barriers between architecture and nature. It reminds us that good design is not about size or luxury, it's about intention. About creating spaces that elevate our daily lives, connect us with our surroundings, and inspire a sense of peace. This house doesn't just look beautiful, it feels right.